A magnetic field of 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 Tesla acts at right angles to a coil of areas 100 centimeter square with 50 turns. The average EMF induced in the coil is 0.1 volts. When it is removed from the field in time t, the value of t is. Now here in this question, the provided information says magnetic field B is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 Tesla, right? And area is 100 centimeter square, which I can say 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square, which will become 10 to the power minus 2 meter square. Correct. Number of turns are provided as 50. Average EMF induced, EMF, E is equal to 0.1 volts, right? When it is removed from the field in time t. Okay, so they are asking the value of time t. So first of all, what is the value of phi? Phi is equal to B dot A. Now suppose this is the coil, this is your coil. Let's say you are seeing the side view. Now the area vector will be the perpendicular, and they said that magnetic field is perpendicular to the coil. So magnetic field will also be in this direction. That shows the value of theta is equal to 0 degree. That means phi will be equal to BA cos or say phi is equal to, or say phi initial is equal to BA cos 0, which will be BA into 1. Okay, and what will be the value of phi 2 or say phi final when it is removed on removal? So on removal, phi 2 will be equal to 0 because there is no magnetic field, right? So we can find out the value of delta phi, which will be phi final minus phi initial, which will be 0 minus BA, which says minus BA. Correct. Now we know that EMF E will be is equal to minus of delta phi upon delta t. But here number of turns are n, so this will be minus n delta phi upon delta t. So minus n delta phi upon delta t. Perfect. Now we need this value of t. So now put the values. So E will be is equal to minus n. What is the value of delta phi, which says minus BA? We just calculated this value. And delta t. So let's say initial time was 0, final time was t. So this will be t minus 0. We need the value of t, which will be equal to n BA divided by E only. So now put the values. We know all the values. So before putting the value, let me remove it to create some space. So here n will be is equal to 50 into B will be is equal to which is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into area of cross section is 10 to the power minus 2, right, divided by the value of E, which is 0.1. So now solve this value. What do we get on solving? So this will be 10 to the power minus 2. So this will be 50 into 200, which is 100 into 10 to the power minus 2 and 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 4, and this is 0.1. So this will be 10 to the power minus 3 seconds, right? So what do I get? I get 10 to the power minus 1, which can be written as 0.1 seconds. So 0.1 seconds will be the right answer. So which option is correct? Option number 1 is the right choice.